Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the SYGA Easy Open Walkthrough Steel Safety Gate, popularly known as Baby Safety Gate. This is great for children's, infants and pets. I bought this safety gate from Flipkart for Rs 1999, also available on Amazon. It comes well packed and metal body with color white gives it a premium look. This gate requires no tools to install. It comes with pressure mount design that keeps the finishing of the wall door frame unaffected. You can install it to your existing door frame with length of 75 to 85 centimeters. The height of this gate is 76 centimeters and length is 71 centimeters. Starting the installation, insert the pressure mounts on all four corners of the gate and adjust the bolts as per your existing door frame. It also comes with two side safety lock. With this, you can put an extra lock or an interlock for gate to open one way or the other. The door frame in my existing place of residence is around 77 centimeters. If your door frame length is more, then you can add 20 centimeter or more with extension, which can be bought separately. Also provided by SYG. The baby gate is designed with a one-touch release, easy slide handle safety lock, a secure spring-loaded latch that keeps gate safely closed when not in use. The gate opens both ways and is auto-closing. Open less than 90 degrees and the gate will close itself. Open past 90 degrees and it will stay open. It is an easy one-handed open and close operation. Finally, the product is durable, convenient and safe for kids. It is portable and can be installed on any doors in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Do like, share if you liked the video and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.